Hi, this is Keith and welcome back. And this is the part 4 in a series of learning about some of the tools within the Builderall platform that's going to allow you to earn income online. Today we're going to talk about the magazine builder. So if we go back to our previous videos, we could go to the Cheetah website builder. This is a website that was created through the Cheetah website builder, and this is a funnel regarding, in this particular case, do you have time to cook healthy meals? Try these 7 delicious smoothie recipes designed for increased energy and rapid weight loss. So if your niche is in the weight loss industry, this is a funnel that you could create and offer a lead magnet to your prospective clients, or even through, maybe you already have an email list and you want to promote this free lead magnet to them. So you could do that, and once you click on the button here, it's going to allow the user to enter their name and email, and once they do that and they click on this, they will be directed to a lead magnet that was created through the magazine builder in Builderall. And this is the lead magnet. It's a magazine, online magazine, basically. And when you click through it, here's the pages. And it's completely customizable. You could create this beautiful magazine or lead magnet within Builderall. And let's go to the Builderall magazine dashboard. Again, you enter it through your tools here, go up to apps, and go to magazine builder. But this is the dashboard, and you could create a brand new one, and these are the ones that I have. You also have all these different templates that you could work with and modify to your liking. So let's just open up one of these. Let's go to, let's go to the Builderall magazine. So let's open this up. Let's add this to our dashboard, and this is it. And this is basically the editor. So if you want to preview it, let's just preview it so we could go through it. And these are the flip pages. You could also, as you could go up to each corner, it's like you could flip the page over. So it's very neat. Beautiful way to design your free lead magnets. Again, there's free training within Builderall to learn how to use this, how to edit it, how to create each and every single page. Very beautiful made. So this is just another way that you could earn a living online using the Builderall tools and develop your skill set and make yourself more marketable. Again, you could create lead magnets for yourself, or you could create lead magnets for other people and charge a one-time fee if they're not a Builderall user. Again, very, very valuable tool. So I want to thank you for stopping by today. I look forward to the next video in this series, and we'll talk about another tool within Builderall. Remember to like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so and click on that bell notification. Thanks again for stopping by. You have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.